I have traveled around the world the past few years with just a 25-liter backpack. Today I'll be talking about and reviewing the exact backpack that I've been using. This is the Burton Sidehill 25-liter backpack. It was originally designed as a snowboard backpack, and that is what I bought it for. However, I've recently transitioned to using it as a travel backpack. I really like the look of this backpack. It just looks like a standard school bag basically. If you're walking around any city, people won't really be able to tell that you're a tourist. It's also not too expensive. I think I bought it for 120 bucks, but it's on sale pretty regularly for under $100. Since it's meant for snowboarding, it is also water resistant, which is really nice, so you don't need to bring a separate pack cover. Additionally, probably my favorite feature of this backpack is the additional storage it provides. It has a separate compartment that pulls out. It's originally designed for your helmet to go into. However, you can use it for sandals, boots, or an extra puffy jacket. It's great because it can provide an additional 15 liters or so of room, and if you don't need it, you can also just pack it away and it looks like a regular backpack. It's also great because it's on the outside of the bag, so if you have something wet like boots or a swimsuit or even a rain jacket, you can put it there and it's not going to get everything else in your bag wet. There are also multiple ways to access the main compartment. There's the top pocket, which allows you to easily pick stuff up from the top. And there's also a back access here if you want to access the entire bag from top to bottom. So in terms of pockets, there's a top fleece line pocket, great for your wallet, your keys, or sunglasses. There are two side pockets. These are great for putting your portable battery pack or some snacks. There's also a front Velcro pocket at the front where I usually put my flip-flops. And the main compartment also includes a hydration sleeve, so if you're doing any hiking or anything like that, you can connect your hydration bladder and not have to bring a water bottle with you. The bag also has hip belts, which is great if you want to use it for carrying extra load. However, I find I usually just snap them behind the back of the backpack so they don't bother me, and then I just don't really think about them. So I think overall this is just a great cheap budget one bag backpack. It's water resistant. It has an extra compartment, which I haven't seen on any other standard travel backpack, and it provides a lot of additional pockets. There's also a lot of loops on the outside, so if you want to hang your wet towel or swimsuit, for example, while you're walking around, you can leave it out there and it will dry. And I think that's basically it. There's not too much else to say. It's just a backpack, but that additional compartment I think really is a game changer, especially for one bag travel. It basically gives you the ability to bring an extra pair of shoes, which is one of the toughest parts about one bag travel. It looks great, especially the black, so it doesn't look like a travel backpack at all. That's basically it for this review. I recommend picking it up if you are looking for a one bag backpack. It fits all my needs perfectly. I've used it for traveling to Costa Rica. I've gone to Europe multiple times recently. It was perfect as well for cold weather travel, for carrying an extra insulation layer on the back. So comment below what backpack you're currently using for one bag travel. I'd love to check some other ones out and maybe do some additional reviews. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.